That most of you are able to draw the graph. Now we have to answer the questions. Okay? Drawing the graph itself is 2 or 3 points. 2 or 3 marks in your exam. Then you must answer the questions. Okay? Haris, draw the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry. The line of symmetry, we touched on it last lesson. The line of symmetry is where your graph is reflected, like a mirror like that. So in this case, you can see that the graph is reflected like that, left and right. These points, they are symmetrical about a straight line. There is a mirror passing through the straight in between the graph. So this line there, which your points are reflected, is your line of symmetry. Okay? The line of symmetry means that this point where it has the same y, the line of symmetry must be exactly in the center of these 2 points. Okay? Or these 2 points, the y is the same and the same height. So the line of symmetry, who must I move next? So the line of symmetry is exactly in between these 2 points. It is exactly in between these 2 points. It is exactly in between the top 2 points. The easiest to see, because they are closest already, will be here. So the line of symmetry must be directly in between these 2 points. So it's a straight line that is going straight up in between these 2 points. This is -2. 0 minus 2, here is 1 minus 2. So if the line of symmetry, if you look at here is -2. So if you look at this graph, this table, it is directly in between 0 and 1. So it must be 0.5 of your x. So you can draw your line of symmetry, a straight line, going through, exactly in between, going straight up. Okay, this will be your line of symmetry. Every point is reflected about this line. Not solid. The So they are asking you to draw this straight line. Line of symmetry. Symmetry means the same. So like your mirror. Line of symmetry is like your mirror. Even and phone. Line of symmetry. Okay. Everyone draw your line of symmetry. Next, using your graph, write down the y-intercept of the graph. Y-intercept means where your graph cuts the y-axis. Y-axis is the straight line that is going through x equals to 0. This is your y-axis. So this is your graph. The curve is your graph. This is your y-axis. Y-intercept is where your graph cuts the y-axis. So it is this point over here. Okay? And how do we describe this point? To describe a point, we must give a x and a y. The x value of this point, it is along here. So the x, it never moves right, it never moves left. So the point here, the x is 0. Okay? This point here, the x is 0. And the y, it moves down from the origin 2 units. So the y is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is this point. So when you answer the question, the y-intercept of the graph, you must give it in a coordinate 0 minus 2. Okay? Rafael, touch the y-axis. So you only need to give where what is the y. So y is minus 2 when it touches the y-axis. Okay, try to find your x-intercept. Hey, wait! Sorry, I am correct. It is 0 minus 2. Your workbook answer is wrong. It must be the coordinate 0 minus 2. Your workbook answer is wrong. Zara, the workbook answer is wrong. You must put the coordinate 0 minus 2. Okay? So for the x-intercept, it is where your graph has the x-axis. So it's this value here and this value here. So one of them is negative 1, 0. The other one is 2, 0. Negative 1, 0 and 2, 0.
I thought it's x first.
Huh? X first. X is the left and right of the graph. This point here, you move left by negative 1. So your x coordinate here is the x of this point is minus 1. It moves left and then up and down it never moves. So your y is 0. This point here, you move to the right 1, 2. So your x is 2 and your y is 0. Okay? Negative 1, 0 and 2, 0. Okay, question 2. Let's go. Math, the best subject already. Those of you who are not happy enough must be because you never do enough math.